Hey tribe, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to install a GPS. This is a accessory that you could purchase for the Mangold dash cam we installed. So I'll post a link to that video. And it looks pretty simple to install. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Stick around, I'll be right back. Okay gang, here we go. So this GPS works with this dash cam. So I want to get this hooked up. I'm trying to figure out where I want to install it. It comes with some two-sided tape, but I'm not a big fan of putting that on the interior of our truck. So thinking I might just put that back here in the corner and run the cable up this line here. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Run it up here behind this A-pillar on the passenger side. That way the commander will be able to ask me what this is. So we'll have something to talk about on our next trip. So let me just get this started here and see how this is going to work out. I did bring a couple of interior trim tools. Oh, you can pick these up at any auto parts store. I think I got these at Advance many moons ago. But let me see if I can get this in there the way I want. Maybe this is the way to do it. Maybe I'll start down here. Once again, excuse my old man breathing here. I don't take much to run me out of juice. But I am doing the best I can. Okay. So, looks to be pretty straightforward, but they do have a word of caution here on this little instruction sheet. Please turn off the car before installation to avoid car failure alarm. So I'm going to assume that means make sure the ignition's off. I don't know if it's for every vehicle or just this particular model, but I'm not taking no chances. So let me see if I can get this pulled down. Okay. It came with the connector. I don't know if you can see these little arrows here, but make sure they're lined up. Okay, I got it plugged in. No airbags or anything, or car alarms or anything went off. So now let me see if I can get this Run back up through here like we had it. And then we can test this bad boy out and see what we got. So let me try this. See if I can get all this hidden back up in here like it was. Okay. Got that. Got that. Be careful, I got that pinched. It's still pinched. What I need to do here about this? In there like that. Okay. Everything seems to be pretty good and tight. Get this last piece on here. Okay, that's the install. So now we'll test get the phone hooked up and see if we got a GPS signal. Okay guys, so I've got connected to the phone app here, and it's giving me, so it is working. The GPS is working. So it's giving me my current altitude. It's showing me here on the map. It's giving me speed and estimate to which direction I'm pointing. So having that little receiver over there in the end, it should all show up on the video as we're recording. I'll do a test on that and let you know how that goes. If you want to see how I installed the camera, which is pretty much the same thing I had to do here, I'll put a link into this video and let you check it out. Hey, we appreciate you watching. We'll do a summary here in a second and let you guys get out of here. Okay guys, so that was the install of the GPS. Once again, the name brand of that was Mangold. I didn't realize it had that capability when I first bought the dash cam, but then I saw that cable when I was doing the install of the dash cam, and so I looked it up and I thought, well, you know, I'm just going to try that and see how it goes. So looks like it connected real easy, and other than that little bit of problem I had at the beginning there of running that cable behind the A-pillar trim, once I got the right tool, Everything was pretty straightforward. Made sure the key was off. I didn't have no problems with the alarm, or I read some other people say they had you could have an airbag issue and so forth. So anyway, other than that, it's pretty straightforward. I'll take it out for a test spin here and let you know how that looks on the video. So it's supposed to give you speed and location and all that good stuff added to the video in case of an accident. So we really appreciate you tuning in. If you made it this far in the video, you go ahead and like and subscribe and give that little bell a ring there so you can stay up on all the videos we post. And make sure you check us out on our Facebook page, S&S RV Adventures. So till next time, thanks again for watching. Safe travels.